Hello students! In this video today, we will learn different ways to say it's raining. So let's get started. Number 1. It's raining cats and dogs. Number 2. It's pouring outside. Number 3. It's drizzling. Number 5. It's bucketing down. It's tipping down. It's lashing down.